Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, the AAG. In today's video, I'm going to share you how to prepare instant dosa at your hostel using instant dosa mix, which can be prepared easily at your home. These dosas turn very crispy, and you could see these dosas turn into beautiful golden brown color. So let's get started and know how to prepare this instant dosa mix. To prepare dosa mix, take about 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of raw dosa rice. Into this, add 1 teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seeds. Methi or fenugreek seeds gives good fermentation while you are fermenting the batter. 2 teaspoons of poha or flattened rice. Flattened rice gives good color and your dosa turns fluffy. And 2 teaspoons of chana dal. Mix well and make this into fine powder in a mixer grinder. If you're making in small quantities at home, you can use a mixer grinder, or else if you want to store in larger quantities, mix all the ingredients and make it into fine powder by taking the ingredients to the flour mill. If you want to store this dosa mix for more than a month, then make sure that you sun dry these ingredients well so that your dosa mix is insect free. Dosa mix is ready. Store this dosa mix in an airtight jar, and this dosa mix comes for about 1 month to 2 months. Now you can carry this instant dosa mix to your hostel and can prepare dosas instantly. To prepare dosas from the instant mix, take about 1 cup of dosa mix and add salt as required. Add water as required to make batter into flowing consistency. If you want to prepare dosa instantly, then to this mixture add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. If you have time, you can ferment the batter for about 6 to 8 hours and then prepare dosas. Here I am following traditional method of fermenting, that is, I have added salt and let the batter ferment by itself for 6 to 8 hours. You can soak this dosa batter at night. By the next morning, your dosa batter will be fluffed up and fermented beautifully. If you open and check the batter, our dosa batter is well fermented. Dosa batter fluffs up and the quantity of the batter gets doubled. Mix gently and your dosa batter is ready. Now we shall heat the pan and prepare dosas. See, if you see in the video, this is the perfect consistency for dosas. Add little water and make the batter into flowing consistency. Grease the pan, and while the pan is hot, add 1 to 2 ladles of dosa batter and spread uniformly. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and relatives who are living away from their home and are missing home food. I hope you like this video. Give a like if you like this video. Add chopped onions if you prefer, and let the dosa cook on medium to high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of oil. Do not flip the dosa until you see light golden brown color at the bottom of the dosa. When dosa turns little brown color, you can take the dosa and your dosas will be ready. Now similarly prepare dosas with the remaining batter also. The sign that dosa batter is well fermented is while you're spreading the batter, you could see holes. This means that your dosa batter is well fermented and your dosas will turn crispy, fluffy and so tasty. If you prepare dosas in this method, your dosas will turn into this beautiful golden brown color. I hope you like this recipe. You can serve these dosas with instant chutney recipe. Instant chutney recipe links will be provided in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel for many such easy, quick recipes. For 1 cup of dosa mix, I got 5 to 6 dosas. Instead of onions, you can also add mashed masala potato mix for masala dosa. Serve these dosas while hot with any instant chutney recipe. In my coming videos, you will be watching healthy laddu which has no oil and no sugar. So stay tuned to never miss an update from my channel. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.